Hello yoga lovers, today I am going to demonstrate the triangle pose in this video. First of all, stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Place your palms together, making sure that your hands stay in a straight line above your forehead. As you inhale, bring your arms up next to your ears and reach upwards, extending and lengthening your spine. As you exhale, press your right heel into the floor and reach up and out to your left side. Duration of hold this posture will be like if you are beginner, so you will hold up to 20 to 30 seconds on each side. For intermediate, 30 to 45 seconds on each side you will hold, and if you are in the advanced stage you will hold this posture 45 to 90 seconds on each side. Benefits of this triangle pose are: first, regular practice steadily and comfortably within a balanced yoga asana program stimulates the sacral chakras and therefore balances the functions of your urinary tract, kidneys and gonads. It stimulates your liver and spleen and therefore helps to detoxify. It gives a lateral stretch to your spine and your back muscles. It increases blood flow and nutrient supply to the invertebral discs, keeping your spine young and supple. It tones and strengthens your abdominals and back muscles and improves balance and concentration. The last and the main benefit is it gives relief from cough and cold, and best for kids. It realigns your spine, relieving and correcting scoliosis. Now it's a caution and contradictions. Therefore, it has no general contradictions for this pose if practiced correctly. Okay, but this pose, even though it looks simple and easy, it's not. It's easy like as it looks. Is it quite heavy? If you feel dizzy or uh, feeling trouble to do it, you can get relaxed in between of the steps. And if you feel dizzy to start to sweat heavily, release the pose please. Thank you so much. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Until, be happy, be healthy, take care.
Ask me